To get a transparent background in Canva, you'll want to start with a design that has a solid background color, and we'll set it to pure white first. Click on the canvas area to select the background. Then open the background color options from the top toolbar. In the color panel, click the plus button to add a new color. Enter the hex code FFFFFF to make sure the background is pure white, since a white base is essential for a clean, transparent result. Now that the background is set, we'll move on to exporting the design as a PNG with transparency. Click the Share button in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, choose Download. In the Download options, select PNG as the file type. Now here's the important part. When you click the transparent background option, you'll see it's a Pro feature, so you'll need a Canva Pro subscription to use it. If you're on the free plan, this option won't be available to you, but with Pro you can simply toggle it on. Once you've enabled transparency, click the purple download button to export your image. And that's it, your design is now saved with a transparent background ready to use anywhere. If you found this helpful, give the video a like. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips.